Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting update on Telegram Web that lets you easily view all the documents shared in your chats. If you've ever struggled to track down important files, this new feature will save you a lot of time. Let's get right into it. First, open your favorite web browser and go to web.telegram.org. If you're not logged in, simply enter your phone number and follow the on-screen instructions to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Next, you need to find the chat where the documents are shared. You can scroll through your recent conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific chat you want. Once you find it, click on that chat to open the conversation. Now that you're in the chat, look at the top of the screen for the chat's name. Click on it, and a panel will appear displaying the contact information for that chat. This panel contains various options, including media files, links, and of course, documents. Once you're in the Contact Info section, you'll see several tabs. Look for the Files tab and click on it. Here, you'll find all the documents that have been shared in this chat, neatly organized for your convenience. You can easily scroll through the list to find the specific document you're after. If you spot a file you'd like to download, simply click on it. This action will either open the document in a new tab or prompt you to save it directly to your computer. It's a smooth process that makes managing your documents much easier. In summary, viewing shared documents on Telegram Web is now simpler than ever. Just open web.telegram.org, find the chat you're interested in, access the contact info, and navigate to the Files section. With this new update, keeping track of your important documents is a breeze. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Telegram and other platforms.